How to download music from Spotify. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can download music from Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to download your music from Spotify app, it's actually very simple to do so. But remember that downloading the music is a premium feature. So if you're trying to download from a free version, you will not be able to do so. You can download it, and as long as you have the subscription, you can listen to the songs on your mobile or on your desktop or laptop computer as well. Open the Spotify app and then make sure you log into the account. Head over to the playlist that you maybe want to download here. Once you head over to the playlist, now you will not find the option to download individual songs over here, right? So instead you have to download the whole playlist itself. If you want to learn how to download individual songs, I've made a dedicated video for that on our channel, so you can check that out. But if you'd like to download the song, all you have to do is click on this download icon over here. Once you click on it, right over here, unlock downloads and other features with premium. So make sure you get the premium first, and then all the songs is going to get automatically downloaded to your device. This way you'll be able to download music from Spotify. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.